So in this video we are talking about to analyze syntactic well logs data from 4 wells in Permian Basin. So we have this summary of wells in this case, and you have the following in this case, and you are analyzing these wells using the recent technique for multiple logging data, combined from downhole sensor with the same sample data and determines the hydrocarbon production capacity. So the capacity, lithology and fluid saturation of the reservoir to ultimate help us in its production, and also make the plot of trajectory. So the first plot is the synthetic tables well represented the wells with average phi and all parameters, the medium depth. We have also the top level for finding in single wells of reservoir. So you have different types of wells, in this case from wells 1, wells 2, and it's similar, but you have a flat plane depth versus west. So the simple rows from residual interval, and you can see that in this case with this value, and we are following also the autolithology correlate to the value of US and P. We have also the resistivity value. We have registered also the magnetic resonance, the phi coefficient, the porosity and the water content, and you have also the following resistivity, you have the value of resistivity, and also we can evaluate the geomechanical parameters and correlate to lithology. From logs of wells 1 we have the gamma ray, the resistivity and the porosity. So you can also extract the kappa value, that is mean the permeability. So this is a poor sandstone, so the permeability in this case remain constant around this value from 10 11 minus 4. So we have the average reservoir permeabilities by wells. We are plotting the average reservoir permeabilities by well, and you have disclosed this data. We have also the average saturation of water by the single wells in this case, and we have a production forecast with exponential decline from the single well, the first well, the second well and the third well, and you have this kind of this. So the production is estimated in meters cubed by day. So you have a short-term production, because after 5 years we have a decrease and we have a constant production. So the permeabilities, we have also plot permeabilities versus time. So the permeabilities, it remains the same, there is no critical condition for permeabilities, and so there is no constipation on the sandstone. The Young modulus, we are also plotting the principal parameters, geomechanical parameters, to evaluate the stability of reservoir, like derivated from these kinds of prediction log. So the Young modulus versus time, and the Poisson ratio versus time. And we have also plotting the area that are investigated through this well and this prediction log. So we are plotting in this map, in this very simple map, the position, the spatial position of well location, mark sites by square meters. And so it's really interesting to underline that the measured value of resistivity in this case correspond to the first geological layer, that we have a high content of water with gas in this case, and so the oil is concentrated in this part. So that is underlined also the prediction of production. We cannot change, we cannot have a migration of mixing zone. So the analysis conducted by these kinds of new types of log makes a good prediction for also the stability of reservoir and the integrity of geomechanical system.